Hello and welcome back to Wolf 368. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be talking about not paying for game servers. Host your own for free. You're paying monthly for a private game server. Stop. Seriously, most gamers are wasting hundreds a year on something they could run for themselves for free. No subscriptions, no limits, full control. Before you think this sounds complicated, I'll show you how to set it up step by step, even if you've never touched networking before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run your own server and why you'll never go back to paying again. So let's be honest, hosting services sound great until they don't. You're paying every month, you get random lag spike, you're limited on mods or settings. Worst of all, you don't actually own anything. Stop paying, you lose your server. Meanwhile, there's a whole group of gamers running private servers with better performance, total control, zero monthly cost. And what do they know that you don't? Here's the truth. You don't need expensive hardware. You don't need to be a tech genius. And no, you don't need some crazy enterprise setup. In fact, if you have a halfway decent PC, you already have everything you need. There are actually 3 ways to host your own server, and one of them is probably perfect for you. Option 1, host it on your own PC. This is the easiest way to start. You download the server files, run them, and you're live. Downsides: your PC needs to stay on and your internet matters. Option 2, use a cheap VPS. This is where things get interesting. Instead of paying overpriced gaming hosting companies, you rent a basic cloud server for a fraction of the price. Same control, way cheaper. Option 3, dedicated setup. This is for serious players or communities. Old PC, mini server, even low power setups can handle it. But the real question is, which one should you pick? Let's walk through the basic setup. It's simpler than you think. Step 1, download the server software. Every game has an official or community server package. Just grab it from the official site or trusted source. Step 2, run the server once. This generates all your config files. Think of it as the setup phase. Step 3, open your ports. This is the only part that sounds scary, but it's not. You log on to your router, forward one port, and that's it. That's literally what hosting companies are charging you for. Step 4, share your IP with friends, then connect, and boom, you're live. And yeah, that's basically it. Now here's where most people mess up and how you avoid it. Give your server enough RAM. This fixes most lag instantly. Use backups. Seriously, one crash can wipe everything. And if you're running mods, don't overload it. More isn't always better. These 3 things alone separate smooth servers from nightmare ones. To keep it real, this isn't perfect. Your internet matters, your PC might need to stay on, and there's a small learning curve at the start. But once it's running, you've got full control and no monthly bill. So yeah, you can keep paying every month for something you don't control, or spend 1 hour setting this up and never pay again. Trust me, once you go self-hosted, you're not going back. So, hope you found this interesting and informative. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe to the ever-growing Wolf Pack. Until next time, take care of one another, and I'll catch you on the next one.